Today we're going to learn about multiplying fractions. So, as a review, a fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator. The numerator is on top, the denominator is on the bottom, as shown on screen. So when we multiply fractions, we simply multiply the numerator by the other numerator, the denominator by the other denominator, and then we simplify. If you have any questions about simplifying fractions, we made a video last week detailing how to simplify a fraction. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we have 1/4 times 5 over 5. Well, I want to multiply my numerators by each other, and I want to multiply my denominators by each other. So 1 by 5 is 5, and 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, I get 5 over 20. I can multiply or divide the top and the bottom by 5. I get 1 over 4. And simple as that, my first answer is 1/4. All right, let's move to the next one. So we want to multiply our numerators, multiply our denominators. So 3 times 4 gives me 12, and 6 times 6 gives me 36. Okay, now look at this one. I say, is there any common denominator and I can simplify this fraction? Well, yes, I can actually divide both sides by 12. And that gives me 1 over 3. All right, on to our next one. So here we have 11 over 12 times 12 over 12. So multiply the top, multiply the bottom. This goes ahead and this gives me 132 over 144. And I want to simplify this if I can. And I know that 132 and 144, I know that I can divide by 12, and that'll work. Divide by 12. Top comes out as 11. Bottom comes out as 12. So that's as simple as that, following that formula. So I encourage you to try these problems, and once you're finished, unpause the video and we'll go over them. All right, I hope you found success doing those problems, so let's go over it. So for the first one, we have 1 over 3 times 3 over 6. So multiply the top, multiply the bottom. This comes out to 3 over 18. Okay, can I simplify this anymore? And I know that 18 can be divided by 3. So divide top and the bottom by 3. And that gives me 1 over 6. Awesome. So let's move on to our next one. Here we have 4 over 7 times, this is the times right here, times 2 over 4. So multiply the bottom, multiply the top. 4 times 2 is 8. The bottom is 28. So here I can go ahead and I can simplify this. Let's go ahead and simplify this by 4. 28 divided by 4, that gives me is equal to 7 over 2. Awesome. And if you see on this problem right here, I simply have a dot between these two fractions. That's another word of saying multiplying, but usually we'll use an X. Let's say when we're multiplying. Okay, so we have 3 over 7 times 9 over 9. Well, let's multiply the top, multiply the bottom. This goes and gives us 27 over 63. I know that 27 can be divided by 9, and I know that 63 can also be divided by 9. Divide both sides by 9. Get 9. Oh, I get 3 over 7. Yeah, so multiplying fractions isn't too difficult, especially if you follow the steps I gave you. I hope you understand, and have a good day.